Alright guys, what is today? What? Phillips? I got one, babe. Was it day 11 or 12? We're gonna put the locks on the door. Oh shoot, he already did it. My husband, he can't wait for nothing. We're gonna do some stuff at the cabin. I got my favorite, we went shopping and I found my favorite tool at Ollie's. I got one of these several years ago. I think my mom or somebody ordered it online or something. I don't know. They one of them things where you call in. It used to be on the TV. You call in, you order stuff. Like a home shopping network or something, like back in the day. And I absolutely love it. And I found it for $5 whole. I done spilled my coffee on my foot, dropped my favorite tool. 8-in-1 screwdriver flashlight. Beautiful. I got a Phillips right here, babe. You got all these tools. You ain't got no Phillips? Phillips is my friend. Aiden, are you helping or are you playing on the phone? Oh, that's so beautiful. So beautiful. Next one to go.
These screws go to the bottom.
Okay. It's our beautiful, beautiful cabin. See, where's the light? Someone stole the light? There ain't no light. There ain't no light.
There you go.
So strong.
You did the floor?
That's not messing it up. It's painter's tape.
Messing up my floor.
Did the floor?
You just got paint from my floor.
I do? Yeah, he messed up a few tiles, but yeah, he did a lot. He did like, yeah. He did about 5 foot.
5 foot?
No, he did. That guy only did like 3 rows.
Yeah, but you did.
I didn't do nothing.
What?
All I was doing was cut.
This was 10
Cut
foot.
What? You did it?
You know what? Do you want to be a person that lays floor? I don't blame you. That's what you do. If you do something and if you don't like it, you know you don't want to do it.
These will be give out by the time you're 21.
Thanks, babe.
Big calluses, like this tall.
His knuckles were humongous.
From his hands were always rubbing the floor.
There's like a little thing on the edge. When did you learn how to install a mini split?
Just drill a hole through the wall. That's all you do.
Oh,
Have the brackets and drill a hole through the wall.
I'm sure you do. Oh, my coffee. All right, guys. So we
Mama, do you think this is the
are missing a screw,
that thing?
but I don't even like the way it looks. So we might get a new one. I don't know. Hi, Addison. What's wrong with your face?
Flip up. Let me look. I'm fine.
It was your ugly look.
Yeah.
What if it's too short? Oh, babe, I done screwed up. I don't know, it's jacked. I'll let you do. I want a, it's like one of those things that were on a cow, you know, the things that go around the cow and the mirrors there. Yeah, like, or a horse, and then they chain together. You know what I'm talking about? Those old-timey things. We're gonna put that above the whiskey barrel for the mirror.
I'm talking about over the sink.
The sink is gonna be a whiskey barrel. I'm gonna get rid of that. We'll probably put that in the other bathroom. It's not like a name brand K-cup. It's just a regular old K-cup. But I've got coffee pots out in the shed too. But I kind of wanted to be fancy. After our wonderful break, we barely got half done. Had to take a break.
More pieces, more screws.
I hope not.
I'm telling you, I ain't too. There are screws. Hey.
I guess get that saw and cut just this right here a little bit, like you did on the other one. We can get some more screws when we go to Lowe's.